Now guess who's Imran scared? Let's meet her. मैंने सुना है कि इमरान से आप काफ़ी डर गई थी जब आने से पहले, और अब मामला कुछ और है. तो पहले तो क्या हुआ था जब आपने पहला सुना कि आपको मूवी करनी है, किस तरह से आप डर गई थी?
मैं डरी तो नहीं थी. I was not scared actually, but I was amazed with this fact that why would I get a film, with Imran Hashmi? I never thought that I would be ever playing his lady on screen, or any actor like him who is very sensuous and whose intimate scenes is his quality and everything, because I've never done a cinema like that.
Correct.
So I was excited, I was nervous, I was scared, and I was like, what is this going on? Like, why would they want me to play this character? So yeah, but when I got the opportunity to play, to meet him actually, and I said yes for it, and we auditioned like quite a few times, not quite a few times, 2 times. So because मेरे director ने मुझे कहा कि जाओ मुँह धोकर आओ और फिर हम कल दोबारा से करेंगे.
Okay.
So I was like, okay. So he even after Bol, he wanted to audition me because he was having doubts on me. No, it was not like this. It was not like this. He just wanted to see that if I fit into the character or no. So yeah, and then after that I went and met Imran at his place, and along my team, with my director. So so I was dressed up, and not dressed up like fully, but I was casually. I just went along with my script, and I was holding my script in one bag, and I got into the room, and Imran was there, and Imran did not even looked at me for once. He ignored me, right? And he was like, he was doing something, and he was looking at the floor. And after that मैं बैठ गई, और फिर कुणाल देशमुख ने हमें इंट्रोड्यूस कराया. So I said salam, and he said salam, and because all the view that I got there in that room was his feet. So I told him later on that you've got some like beautiful feet in hand, like he's very clean. So I was like, okay, because I never looked at his face and he never looked at mine. So we were, and we started script reading, and he knew everything. I had the script with me even, and I was prompting it. Kunal was prompting me, and I was going through all the pages and each and every scene. But he knew that what is there, and which scene is saying what, and what is happening in what scene. So I got little scared with his talent, because I never thought that Imran Hashmi would be a very serious sort of an actor or an artist who is prepared like properly, right?
Yeah.
And he was, and so that threatened me a bit, being an actor, because I am like this. I do compete when I am working, and I think it's a very good thing, because I'm an actor, and competition comes within our industry and within our work.
मेरे sources के अनुसार, और मेरे sources बहुत direct है, मुझे apparently and now you're very possessive about इमरान, आप नहीं चाहते हैं कि वो किसी और को किस करे. ये मेरे direct sources है.
हाँ, मैं नहीं चाहती.
हाँ,
तुम इसकी डिटेल में जानना चाहती हो?
Okay.
बिकॉज मैं उसकी रानी हूँ और वो मेरा राजा है, तो ऑफ कोर्स मैं नहीं चाहूँगी. और मैंने उसको ये इज्जत नवाजी है कि मैंने पहली दफ़ा ऐसा इंटीमेट सीन किया है, और मैंने उसके साथ किया है, तो उसको इस बात का थोड़ा सा भाव रखना होगा. और ही नीड्स टू रिस्पेक्ट दिस फैक्ट, एंड ही नीड्स टू ही गॉट टू स्टे माइन forever.
लेकिन इतना मुश्किल है ना ये knowing इमरान.
अभी कर दिया तो फिर हम भी उसका दिल तोड़ देंगे.
You'll move on.
Yeah, I'll move on with so many of them. Yeah, tell him whenever तुम्हारी जो भी source है उसको तुम ये भी बता देना.
And the message is gonna go soon. डिफरेंस तो है ही, जब अब दोनों कल्चर्स अलग होते हैं, जब आप एक दूसरा फिल्म करते हैं, आपका मुल्क भी अलग था यहाँ पे. कितना डिफरेंस था in the filmmaking when you came from there? You've done Bol here, you've done another movie here, but when you come and did the whole thing out here?
I think emotionally it was quite a lot for me, because see, when you make it really big and you're back in your country and starting from the scratch, in another country, in another culture, another industry, that is a very bit emotional thing. Like you gotta be really strong, right? It's not like this that people are not treating you well over here. It's not like this, but of course you have your अपनी गली में तो कुत्ता भी शेर होता है, so एक वो वाली एक चीज़ है. लेकिन इसको, इस मुहावरे को ऐसे पे नहीं लेना चाहिए कि इस पे जूम एक न्यूज़ बना दे टक 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 टक, लेकिन it is just this that of course this is the only difference that I felt. Otherwise we speak same language, we look alike, and we our cinema, we don't have such a big cinema right now in Pakistan, but right now we are coming with amazing cinema, amazing movies, you know, every year. So but Bollywood is loved by a lot of people in Pakistan, like most of them, they love it. And it wasn't so difficult, but I had, you know, but I've given a lot of months of my life to this film, and I've completely did it with a lot of heart, with a lot of all that emotional strength, you know, is included. And so I'm just hoping a lot with this film.
आपको कभी भी ये लगा कि जब आप वापस जाएंगी, when you're doing the film, are you going to be judged back home, or are you going to, क्या वैसे ख्याल आए थे of, you know, will people say, oh, you know, how much of a barrier can I cross, how much intimate scenes can I do, because you know you can't do so much everywhere.
I think that being an actor, I've always been very challenging. I've done a character called Zainab, and I just realized it this evening only, this afternoon actually. Yeah. That I played a character starting from Z, and this is also Zia and Zainab. So I hope that how much people like Zainab. See, what I want from this thing, that people should not leave Zia in the theaters. They should take her back home, you know, and in their mind, and she should stay with them for good 3 days. So that's the thing, that people should remember me with this film. Thinking about this, that how Pakistan is going to react and how the nation is going to react over it, I think that जैसा देश होता है वैसा भेस होता है इंसान का. मैंने बहुत मेहनत से फिल्म की है. ये एक फैमिली फिल्म है, यूवी फिल्म है. इसको अपने बच्चों के साथ, अपने बड़ों के साथ बैठ के सब देख सकते हैं, एंजॉय कर सकते हैं. मेरा डायरेक्टर जो है मिस्टर कुणाल देशमुख, ही इज़ वेरी वेरी क्लीन पर्सन एज अ डायरेक्टर ऑल्सो. कोई भी चीज़ वल्गैरिटी नहीं है, सेंसुअलिटी है फिल्मों में, और इमरान हाशमी की ऑडियंस ये देखना चाहती है.
Great, all the very best to Mema, and thank you so much. Like you heard her, she's very passionate about what she does. So all the very best from our side once again. Rudran Chatraj with camera person Anil, so Mumbai.